to welcome on board the management of Kumar Infra. Nalin Kumar joins us on the show now. Nalin, hi. Thank you so much for making time and speaking with us. Nalin Gupta, the MD at Kumar Infrastructure. Nalin, first up, let me start with your guidance itself. You guys have been believing in under promise and over deliver. For now, your revenue guidance stands at 12 to 15% growth with a margin profile of 14 to 15% in FY23. Are you likely to beat that?
Yes, so Anisha, here if you see, we have always been growing from last 6 years. Kumar, we have been growing at a CAGR of almost 16 to 17%, and we have given a guidance of around 15% in excess growth for our top line. And if you look at the H1 numbers itself, wherein we have done around 2,000 crore for this financial year, we are very confident that we'll be crossing this 4,000 crore mark that we have told, and we would do something better than that. And also the order book is quite strong enough for taking care of that. And we stand almost at an order book of around 12,000 crore as of H1, as of September.
So, an order book of around 12,000 crores, but what about the deal pipeline that you have in mind? What kind of visibility or order inflow target you have in mind going forward? Because I understand you are diversifying a tad bit into newer areas as well. Talk to us about that.
Well, so Kumar, as we have been a core infrastructure player, mainly into transportation sector, wherein flyovers, NHI jobs and metros, they have been our main area of focus, and almost like 55 to 60% has been coming in terms of order book and revenue from the metro sector. But we have recently opened up new verticals wherein we have taken up the riverfront development work similar to Sabarmati riverfront development. That's happened in Gujarat. We have taken up in Pune now, which the order book is close to like 600 crore plus. And we have also taken up the road tunneling jobs for IRCON, which is the part of the Bharatmala Pariyojana. And again, which is a 4.5 kilometer twin tunnel of 4 lane each. So similar projects of we are going to bid for other road tunnel projects in Mumbai itself, which is India's largest tunnel that we'll be trying to bid for it, which is around 7,000 crore approx value. So this, and also we have taken up the smaller dia TBM works, which is of 2.6 and 3.2 meter dia for the Bombay Municipal Corporation. So I think though our major area of focus would always try to be focused because it's a niche area of expertise, that is metros and flyovers, national highway jobs. But these are the new areas that we have taken up. We have also taken up building works of Siddharth Hospital. So building is again area where we are focusing continuously.
So since you're talking about building, I am curious to ask Nalin, with the latest news headlines about the redevelopment of the Dharavi slums, is that something that you'll be eyeing as well?
Well, so the redevelopment jobs are not what Kumar focuses into. We are into the core niche area of expertise of flyovers, metros, tunnelings, road tunnels, and buildings. Buildings are only EPC jobs that we bid for. Let it be Lucknow, let it be Rajasthan Alwar project or the BMC hospital buildings. So there are some more building projects that have been coming up by BMC and other departments. So that's the area that we'll be focusing.
Okay, and Nalin, just before we let you go, a question as a fellow Mumbaikar, when will we get the updates as far as the metros are concerned?
Well, so the line 2A and 7, wherein 20 kilometers and around 18 stations have been put into operation 1 year back. And the another 18 kilometer, which is the second leg of the project, this is also completed as far as the civil work is completed is concerned, and the trial runs are already on. So I think within 2 to 3 months from now, the Mumbaikars shall be getting an ease to run over this additional 18 kilometer stretch, which is from Goregaon RA Colony till the Western Express Highway at Andheri, and till DN Nagar, from Charkop to DN Nagar on the west side on the link road. So that within 2 to 3 months time, I hope the Mumbaikars will get an ease, at least the suburban crowd.
Fingers crossed for that. And also quickly, if you can update us about your debt situation, because if I remember it right, the debt was coming down a tad bit and it was around 450 crores by the end of last quarter. Where do you see it headed, especially in light of the capex plans that you have?
Well, so even if you look at during this tough times of COVID, we could manage to get down this debt by almost 2 crores. Instead of taking moratorium, we got down the debt by almost 200 crores. And we are at a debt equity ratio of just 0.2. So even though our top lines has been increasing and the capex requirements, still we are being able to maintain our debt, and at net level we are a debt-free company. So with the internal cash accruals and the top lines increasing, the and the capex requirement being there as a part of it, still we are hoping to maintain the debt equity, and we are those trying our best to get it down further.
Okay, Nalin, on that note, we'll let you go. Really appreciate you joining us on ET Now today.